Besides employing a huge number of employees and experiencing a massive turnover rate, the manufacturing sector faces daily work-related dangers and high compliance requirements. Machinery accidents, slips and falls, chemical hazards, fires, and explosions are among the most common causes of injuries and fatalities at manufacturing units. Without a proper training system in place, workers remain vulnerable to these hazards, which results in lost efficiency and productivity. This also reflects poorly on compliance record-keeping and attracts penalties, in addition to affecting your bottom line. In such a situation, a standardized system for creating, administering, and tracking employee training programs can help you. A cloud LMS for manufacturing companies streamlines and automates employee training at scale, ensuring skill development, safety, and compliance. Let's explore some of the key features and benefits you should consider when choosing an LMS for your manufacturing company. We have used ProProf's Training Maker as an example in this video. First things first, the LMS you choose must provide a catalog of ready-made courses. This will enable immediate training implementation. For example, ProProf's LMS offers hundreds of ready-to-use yet fully customizable courses to get you started quickly. However, you can also import your existing training materials, such as docs, PDFs, presentations, recorded webinars, SCORM, and Tin files to create your own training in minutes. Along with courses, templates also prove useful in quick training deployment. A templated approach can save you time and effort that you'd otherwise invest in creating a course from scratch. ProProfs offers purpose-built and engaging templates for role-based training, such as templates for employee onboarding, policy and procedure training, employee benefits, standard operating procedures, and repeatable processes. Next, the best LMS should make assigning courses, lessons, and tests effortless. ProProfs allows you to administer training based on participants' roles, departments, and locations. You can easily organize users into functional groups and classify them based on various criteria. For example, assign specific roles like administrators, instructors, or managers to reduce the administrative burden. Safety and compliance is a vital element in the manufacturing industry, so make sure the LMS you choose facilitates the delivery of such mandated training programs. ProProfs provides various compliance and safety training courses. These resources have been designed based on the latest federal and state laws. Deliver training on manufacturing standards, custom software, and health hazards. The LMS comes equipped with course and certificate due date reminders to ensure ongoing compliance. This way, you can build a compliant, safe, and better workforce. The ability to learn on the go is equally crucial for manufacturing workers. They are not desk-bound and don't work with a PC most of the time. ProProfs is a mobile-ready LMS. The courses you create work across all devices and platforms. Learners can take role-based and site-specific courses and tests in a self-paced manner. They can also download training resources and access them offline or in areas with poor connectivity. As soon as employees start taking the course, you must be able to see actionable data to help you make informed decisions. For example, ProProfs tracks course progress and completion in real time and auto-generates insightful reports on individuals, groups, courses, instructors, and in-course quizzes and surveys. View the total time taken to complete a course, scores, certification status, and access consolidated visual analytics. You can easily configure these reports with filters and export them in downloadable formats anytime, anywhere. Last but the most important feature, the manufacturing training software you finalize must offer privacy and security features. This will ensure that there's no compromise on your critical data. For example, ProProfs supports single sign-on that provides secure access to the LMS without needing employees to remember their login credentials. However, you can also password protect your courses and set up privacy settings to keep them either public or private. Moreover, integration with LDAP lets you import your user base into the LMS, upload usernames and passwords, and keep all your manufacturing training courses, learners, and HRIS systems in sync. With all this information, we hope you are now a step closer to making a wise LMS choice. ProProfs Training Maker offers all this and more. Sign up for a free ProProfs account today and get started with training your manufacturing employees in minutes. We're here to help if you need us. We have live chat, phone help, and a huge knowledge base, so it's easy to get started.